Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for your YouTube channel. My name is Sujal Sharma. Today's topic is Apache server configuration. We are going to create a HTTP website using Apache server on RHEL 10 latest version, and it is a topic of the RHCSA lab EX200 exam objective. So let's go to the Red Hat server and see how you can configure the Apache, right? So let's see. So this is the RHEL 10 machine, and first we are setting the host name. So sudo hostname ctl set hyphen hostname. So first setting the hostname. After that editing the etc host file for static name resolution. So sudo vim /etc/host. So here we are entering the IP address of this server. So here you go. My server IP is 192.168.29.222, and the host name I set here is www.linuxforyou.com. So if you want to access the HTTP website with the name, you have to do this entry, because we are not setting up the DNS configuration here, right? After that we have to install the package. So sudo dnf install httpd, that is the Apache package httpd. If you don't know how to configure the DNF, so I have another video for how to configure DNF for the Red Hat DVD, where the RHEL subscription is not required. So go and watch that video, how to set local DNF with the help of DVD. So now the package is going to be installed, and after that we are going to create the home page. So you know that HTTP server has the document root var www.html. So in var www.html we are going to create our index.html file, and that will be our home page of HTTP server, right? So within few moments the package will be installed. If you want that all commands I should give you on your email ID, in the comment box you can leave your email ID and subscribe and like this channel. So package is installed now. After that I'm going to create the home page for this Apache HTTP server, right? So the command is echo so I'm creating the home page where it is going to be created. It is going to be created in the where www html directory, and the name of the file will be index.html. So this way I created the home page for this, right? and after that we have to enable the Apache server. See, permission is needed, so you have to use the sudo. Before echo, add the sudo command. Now the file is created and you can test it. So I am verifying here the file is created or not. So through Vim you also can create. There is another method. If the file is not created, there is another method you can have, and that is sudo vim /etc /var www and html directory. So this is the another method. You can create the home page. So this way also you can create home page, and here you can write whatever you want, like now save this file. So this way the home page is created, right? So you can see that the file is created. After the home page is created, then you have to enable the HTTPD service and start it. So sudo systemctl enable -now HTTPD. So service will be enabled and started. Now you have to add this service in the firewall, so that the firewall will not stop the service from running or accessing outside. If you want to see the status of the HTTPD, you can run the command status. Now it is active and running, right? So this way the service is enabled and it is started. Now in the firewall you have to allow the HTTP service, Apache HTTP service. So the command is add service is equal to HTTP, and in permanent way. And after that, to take this command effect, you have to reload the firewall. So I'm reloading the firewall. Reload. Right. So firewall is reloaded. If you want to see that the service is listed in the allowed service or not, so you can run the command. So this command will show you that the service is added or not. So HTTP server service must be added. Here you can see the HTTP service is added. Now how you can verify that our Apache server is running well? So let's run the command. So here we are accessing the Apache server website by running this command. So in the Firefox, the Apache website will be opened and my home page will be displayed. So never forget to reload the firewall after entering the add service. So in few moments you will see that our home page is working well. So this way we have set up the Apache HTTP server very well in the RHEL 10. If you have any kind of the questions on this lab, you can write in the comment box, and if you want that on any topic you need a video, so tell me about your topic on which I should make a video, right? So like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for every day new video on the RHCSA EX200 exam, and on the latest Red Hat version, that is RHEL 10. Right. So this way you test the Apache HTTP server on RHEL 10. So before that you have to configure the local DNF. Then you can install the package and running all these commands after that. Right. So I hope you are liking this video, and some more videos are basically there to study on the EX200 exam. So stay tuned to this channel. Thank you very much.